Hello beautiful people, how are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen, so welcome. Today we are making something that you must have in your freezer, vegetable stock. Let's see the ingredients. We have onions, celery, carrots, courgette, salt, olive oil, rosemary and parsley. We start cleaning and chop all the vegetables. You don't need to chop in tiny pieces, just roughly, because at the end we are going to blend everything. Of course you can add all the vegetables that you like. This is the base, this is what I like, but you can add tomatoes, mushrooms or different herbs. When all the vegetables are chopped, put a bit of olive oil in a pan. And now we are going to chop the herbs, rosemary and parsley. So for a kilo of cleaned and chopped vegetables, you need 300 grams of salt. You add the salt on top of the vegetables, and that's it. Pan on the hob, medium temperature until it starts to cook, and cover it. The vegetables start cooking and start to make water. Stir. We turn down low temperature and we leave it for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Every now and then stir. After 1 hour, the vegetables lost all the water, and this is the result. When you are stirring during the cooking, check if the salt sticks on the bottom of the pan and grate it. Put all the vegetables in a container. Blend everything with an immersion blender. This is the final result. Now we put our vegetable stock in a plastic container, let it cool and put in the freezer. You can use it for 5 months. Now the vegetable stock is frozen. Look, you can scoop it. You can add a teaspoon in half a liter of water, for example, to make a risotto or make a vegetable broth, for stir-fried vegetable, for meat, and it's going to enrich the flavor of your recipes. I hope this recipe is going to be useful for you. If you like this video, keep on watching my channel and subscribe. Thank you very much and see you soon!